I want to start running a mix up. No, you look a mix up and drama. I should pick out lash them to blood clot. I really need to pick out lash.
One shoulder move. We have another entertaining and informative episode here for you. Welcome and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to shed the light on our bounty killer, Baby Cham Busy Signal. You know, we're going to touch on footer hype with Mad Cobra, who's been in the news lately. So stick around. Like we say over here, this one's going to be a doozy. Yeah. Baby Cham and Bounty Killer, and I really need no introduction. Two veteran artists from the 90s who are relevant today. Yeah. Cham up on IG hard. If you notice, Cham not really change him technique, you know. Or some outfit, yeah, some short outfits. Always the same color or same thing with a sneakers and a theme thing that. And we know, sir, Killer used to wear beer black, but yeah, in chit up thing.
You shit my face and house and get wet. Apartment by your things are pumping. You check in a fire and count the pounds and killers. Them happy from look at me. Yeah, come on. I love you about the thing now. Where's somebody out?
Oh, you're the one, you're the general. That's a story. Yo, I don't know if y'all know. This is the boss. It's a slicker. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'll get a photo of them in a moment.
Let me call my cameraman. Yo, hold on. Yo, Lance. Hold on. I need pictures, me, Shaman, and Rick, please.
I gotta go.
Hey, yo, also, do me a favor. Bring a bottle of champagne for Rick, please. The rosé. No, let's...
Oh, you're the one, you're the general. That's a story. Yo, I don't know if y'all know. This is the boss. It's a slicker. Listen to me. I'll get a photo of them in a moment.
Let me call my cameraman. Yo, hold on. Yo, Lance. Hold on. I need pictures, me, Shaman, and Rick, please.
I gotta go.
Hey, yo, also, do me a favor. Bring a bottle of champagne for Rick, please. The rosé. No, let's...
One shoulder move. Yeah, a positive light on the artist them. And everything have to be mixed up. Now we can check out Busy Signal. The forgotten hothead in a dance hall. Busy got through him incarceration thing, but forward and it's like people forget. So this man is big globally. Check him out, people.
Give them the space. Give them the space. Give them the space. Give them the space. You can come with them. Come closer. Give them the space. 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 When you're busy, Mayola. Lucius.
Commence par maneva. Wote hapa wanabeba ndege Sweden na wanabeba South Africa Airways. Ina aina tudo utali abiroga kuona hivi. Antu wananyamuka sana. Jogo Jamaica, New York, Africa, Mono, no massive attack. So, I want to 10, but no, we are to 7 chapters. Mao Gurigure.
DJ! Hey! Who's getting the bomb right now?
Flex! Time to have flex! You call and you want to look for ya! Yeah, king! Girl flex! Yo, show them the platinum plaque! Show them the platinum plaque! Platinum! Show them the platinum plaque! Because some boy I talk about artists were big and I chat about artists are greatest of all time. How much platinum this? Go for the information. How much platinum this? Go for the words there. Read what I said, Ninja Kid. Read what I said.
10 million worldwide.
10 million worldwide. So when no, stop now. These are not streams. These are hard copy. These are not streaming. This 200 Braxton, Mad Cobra, 10 million copy. Go over next one. Cause you beat some boy bad now. How much step on that?
I see again. A Mad Cobra.
Yeah, but the numbers, to read what I say.
This is wow. 1,000. What is 1,000?
1 million that.
Yeah, 1 million. 1 million.
That's when it's just platinum.
Platinum. And this
Go over next one. It's a goal.
Yeah, this is a
this is for which one?
Flex.
That have been single. Go over next one.
And when the rest of them the Cobra, they move out.
You take down one Cobra, one more
Yeah,
there.
time yard. And put time yard.
Yeah, Ninja Kid. People me like when you see them something. We not talk about 10 million stream.
No.
We not talk about 10 million
No,
views.
this are from 90s.
This are when you have to buy a record.
Yeah.
So you have to give some man about greatest DJ of all time and then have then something here.
Yeah, they not talk about Cobra, then the real man them will do it.
10 million hard copy sold. Some rapper never see that yet.
Never.
So someone attack when someone attack loosely about greatest, you can't talk loosely about greatest.
Never.
You have some man boy, you have some man boy with some thing when first thing, if me never come by here and show some people right now, them who don't know say Cobra so heavy for sales. And remember this is not streams.
This is different from streaming. Streaming are the nowadays artists them.
But streaming a joke something compared to selling records.
CD when they sell and cassette, them things are sell. People use their money buy. Streamer when they go on the 10 million of them burn and sell. Yeah.
Sell. That's why I try to tell them when you can pick up this and pay feet. This more meaning than stream. Stream can be tampered with. You have to buy this.
Yes.
And at 10 million demand go. 10 million and in get a plaque they must be 10 years ago. So imagine now. Blood clot. Some boy don't know music, you know, them go chat up their mouth, you know.
I watch, I'll press trigger. Press trigger up there. Imagine how much
after we not talk, hold on. After we not talk about that.
One shoulder move. Like, share, subscribe to our growing community. Yeah, people, now go in the comment section and telling the friends about us, man. We are going to do the things different, boy, here. Yeah, help us to grow. Thank you.